Test, test. If you need to create a Google Analytics account because you haven't done so yet, you can use the video in the descriptions below to walk you through step-by-step how to create your Google Analytics account. If you already have your account, you can go to the home page by finding that up here on the left-hand side, and then click on Admin down in the left corner. That's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. Then you're going to come over to this section. You're going to click on Data Streams. And this is going to be where you have linked up your website into your data stream. So click on that, and this is going to open up into the page. For AttractWell, you're going to want to scroll down to View Tag Instructions, and that's going to reveal the code that you need to copy and paste and put into your AttractWell account. So click on the copy. So text has been copied to the clipboard, and then log into your AttractWell account. Scroll down the menu to Customize My Site under Website. Click on that. It's going to open up to a screen that looks like this. You're going to click on Edit Advanced Options right above the Save Changes button and go ahead and paste the code right into this box, and then go ahead and click Save Changes. And now your site is linked up to Google Analytics, and Google Analytics will be pulling data that you can now see in terms of how many visitors you're having, where they're visiting, conversions, and all of that. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel.